Hi, for some of you that don't know me, my name is Dami. Yeah, I'm a Nigerian, proudly one, and I'm just glad to come on here to just let you know some couple of things. Yep, I've got some of my friends here who have been asking questions about how to secure a study abroad visa and the likes. Yeah, this my video is just going to be a quick one because, as you can see, I'm actually on the move. I'm trying to get across to my own place of work this morning, as well as other engagements I've got. And I'm just going to tell you exactly what you need to know. And if you need more information, just hit me up. My email, my phone numbers, everything is just going to be dropped here. Yeah, study abroad packages, as we all know, it applies to everyone worldwide across the continent. You might decide to want to leave your primary domain to go study somewhere else, and there are so many advantages to that. But morning, you all right? Good. Fine, thank you. And you tend to think about all the some people say stress, but I'll be sincere here, because at the end of it all, if you get it through, then you might not really think of the stress. There are a lot of positivity attached to this. This is no gainsaying. I've secured my BSc in my home country, but I decided to step out to see what the world has got for me and see how I could project my life better, And I'll tell you why. Study abroad, it could be any of the countries. You might choose to go to Canada, you might choose to go to the US, you might choose to go to New Zealand. I'm speaking of countries that have got good education styles and something you could really hold on to at the end of it all. The UK as well. So the advantages are so enormous if you have to think of it, because aside the fact that you have the opportunity to be in another country, another culture, there are so many opportunities for any smart individual to get above the whatever ladder the so-called guys are trying to build. That's what I can't really imagine it if after you've gone to school for about 6 years and you seem not to have a job, a profitable job, other than being subject to riding a bike or whatever you tend to find yourself, which is not something enough. Well, if you can, you should try the option of studying abroad. Why? First and foremost, you have the opportunity to mix up with people from different culture, multicultural. Secondly, you're open to a lot of international opportunities. Like I said, if you're the type that's got some couple of skills embedded in you, while being abroad, and be careful and your eyes been open, there are so many things you could do to get yourself really in the system, and it's that simple. Yeah, first thing, you need to be so sure that you've got your BSc as your university certificate, your BSc, your HND, and you choose to either want to study in a BSc outside the country or a master's or a PhD, either of these. And the good thing is, while you're doing this, there are so many opportunities for you. You could work while you're studying. You could do a lot of things. You could volunteer, which is going to assist your CV, and ultimately, you could meet the love of your life if that also comes into play. But I am not in support of anybody going out of his own country to say he wants to stay in another country on the basis of marriage. That doesn't really make sense. You need to be focused. You need to know what you really want. Then you walk around it. So like I was saying, you need to ensure you have your BSc certificate, your O levels, your English language is key, because that's one primary thing. If you don't have that, then you might need to do an IELTS exam. It's everywhere. You could get that done in your country, wherever you are. Once that is done, then you get to set a course you want to study. Then you can leave that up to us. We could assist you to get colleges, universities. If you need to do a BSc, if you need to do a master's or a PhD. And yeah, it's quite easy, but the major thing is the funds, statement of account, and the rest of that. Which to me, I honestly don't see that as a problem if you are actually really wanting to make this move. It's a worthwhile move, and if you really think you're interested in going this lane, I'll be so willing, so willing. I'll be so willing to assist you all the way. And trust me, I'm sure you'll come back to say thank you. In case you need any more information, deep down, you need to know how to go about this, you need to know how to get started, you need to know what are the things, the ideas behind this all. Yeah, just hit me up with a message, hit me up on WhatsApp. If you can call, that's alright. I'll do my best to always respond. But you guys have a beautiful day. It's a beautiful Monday. And I wish you all guys the best. Morning, it's Dami. Yeah?